Consider an angle theta in standard position with point 1 root 3 on the terminal arm. Okay, so here's our angle. It's in standard position, as they said. This means 1 unit to the right, root 3 units up. So there's our 1, there's our root 3. What's the hypotenuse? We better find that. We're probably going to need it. 1 squared plus root 3 squared equals c squared. 1 plus 3 equals c squared equals 4, c equals 2. That was easy. The hypotenuse is 2 units. Show that the value of theta is 60 degrees. There are several ways to do this. I'll show you one that I think connects fairly well to what we've been talking about so far. For this triangle, what are sine, cosine, and tangent? You can find them using SOHCAHTOA. The sine of this angle is opposite over hypotenuse, which is root 3 over 2, which, if you work it out on the calculator, is 0.866. It keeps going after that, but 3 decimal places is enough for what we're doing here. Cosine of this angle is adjacent over hypotenuse, which would make it 1 over 2, which not surprisingly is 0.5. And tangent would be opposite over adjacent, which would make it root 3 over 1, which I believe is 1.73. Now, if you want to show this angle as 60 degrees, get out your calculator and try doing sine 60, then try cosine 60, and then try tan 60. You should find every one of these matches up perfectly with what we found doing SOHCAHTOA. If the trig ratios match, the only explanation is this mysterious angle, theta, must actually be 60 degrees. There's another way to do it, which we'll show you later, but for now I think this will be good enough. Calculate the value of r. Well, we had to. We had to know that already. It's 2. Complete the following. Let's see. Sine 60 is y over r. Well, I wonder how they wanted us to show that theta was 60 degrees, because it's like they think we're doing this for the first time. This is root 3 over 2. Cosine is 1 over 2. And tangent is root 3 over 1. We found all of those to begin with. So there must be some other way of showing that this angle is theta. And we did it a way that they didn't anticipate. Oh well, it worked. If you found another way to show that this is 60 degrees and it worked, good for you. That's probably, maybe your way is the one that they were expecting.